Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a graphics on your Canva docs document on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a graphics on your Canva docs on your computer, just going to show. For that, first of all, click on the elements on the side. Then you have to go to the option called the swipe down, and you have this option called graphics. Click on this and see all. So here you have a lot of more graphics like featured, gradient, stickers, collections, and a lot of more. You can also search graphics. For an example, I just need a graphics of a cap. So I just search as cap. You can find all the graphics related to the cap. So I just need a cable. So if you just make table, you have graphics related to the table. You just click this and can just insert it. And there's a lot of more graphics. You can just pick it directly from here. So there is a lot of magic recommendation. So like this, or like a human, or a lot of the more graphics. So here you can just easily adjust it. You can just place wherever you just need it. It's simple to pick the graphics like this, and you can just use it on your document. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with this super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also a beautiful day.